Leaving work a little early today. It's a little after 6 o'clock. It was 2 or 3 months ago that we made a commitment to start putting some more content on our YouTube channel. Interesting content, more installation videos, reviews, things of that nature. Started doing a little bit of research on what makes a good YouTube channel, and we're right at the beginning of our learning curve, but we've been putting out we put out more videos in the last probably month and a half than we did in the previous 2 or 3 years combined. And like I said, we're in the beginning of our learning curve here. We did upgrade our equipment. We got a GoPro Hero 7 Black, microphones, got a green screen to be able to do some frequently asked questions in the shop, got a drone. We're still in the midst of learning how to even operate that thing, but we've got some good drone footage so far. But we're slowly but surely learning how to do videos. This is like my 3rd or 4th video that I've done while riding, which is actually quite interesting. It actually takes quite a while to make an installation video or even a frequently asked questions video, technical review video. Those videos take a long time, not only to shoot, but then a huge amount of time in editing. And I was wondering how some of these people were making so many videos every week. And I realized a lot of them are making videos while they're riding. Well, I gotta ride every day anyway, or I get to ride every day anyway. So I thought, well, I'll try making some videos while I'm riding, which is what I'm doing now. And hopefully you'll find some of our videos interesting. So anyway, when we do a video, say an installation video, on a part that might take us 20 minutes or a half hour to install, we end up taking 3 or 4 hours to install it, shooting the video of the installation, and then it's easily another 5, 6, 7 hours to edit it. I'm sure as we do more and more we'll get better at it, but it just takes time to edit it and make a good video. If I do a video while riding, like this one, the most that they're going to have to edit out is all my mistakes, or the times when I repeat stuff. Don't need to have it in there multiple times. So it's much less editing time, and I'm riding anyway, either riding to or from the shop or just out for a ride. Oh, and don't even get me started. Well, let me share with you how long it takes to do a drone video. And of course that will get better once we get more adept at flying the drone and all the ins and outs of it. But we got to go somewhere where we can shoot the drone video. Then we got to get the drone out, got to get it up in the air, got to try different shots. Some of the drone footage that we've used, you might see 10 or 15 seconds, not including the editing. Just getting that 10 or 15 seconds might have taken us an hour or two. Anyway, I'm not complaining, it's all fun. But the one thing I noticed is people who are having good YouTube channels where people are really engaged are channels where they're putting out a lot of videos. Obviously interesting videos, quality videos. So besides letting you know a little bit about what we're doing, some of the equipment that we've gotten in order to make videos, the learning curve we're going through, please put in the comments below videos on any and every subject that you'd be interested in seeing. Whether it's installation videos, more riding videos, more vlogs, reviews. Wow, my windshield's dirty. Look at that. Riding into the sun, you really see it. Anyway, please put down in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see. What videos we've done that are most interesting to you. What videos you could take a pass on, you felt were a waste of your time. We want to make videos that are encouraging. We want to make videos that people like seeing. We want to make videos that are helpful. Between all of us at the shop, we have a fair amount of knowledge about Harleys, about parts, whether they're our parts or other people's parts. So, just a matter of knowing what would be most interesting to share. So please put down in the comments below what you'd like to see. We'd really appreciate that. By the way, I've mentioned it several times before in these videos how fortunate I am to be riding in this area of the country where there's good roads, very little traffic. This is, I think it's around 6:15, 6:30, and you can see very little traffic, nice roads. Another thing I'll put down in the link below is a list of all the different equipment that we've gotten so far that's helping us make the YouTube videos. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. It helps us out. Please hit the subscribe button, and please leave us your comments below. Don't worry about leaving too much. We welcome any and all comments on what would be useful, what's boring. It'll help us out to make better videos. See you in the next video.